Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Scoop to your Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels and direct messages. From here we just tap on General. Then we tap on Connect Apps. And then after the page has loaded, here we have a list of different kinds of apps that we can add. We just scroll down, and at the bottom, under the Brilliant Bots section, we can tap on Scoop for hybrid work. Then the app is going to load again, but after it has finished loading, we can tap on the right here, the Add to Slack button, which is going to add the Scoop application to our Slack workspace. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.